WebdriverIO is a modern, open-source automation framework that enables testers to efficiently automate web and mobile applications, providing reliable and scalable testing solutions. WebdriverIO is an open-source framework for automating web and mobile applications. Built on Node.js and JavaScript, it provides a robust architecture and supports useful integrations. Key features of WebdriverIO: it offers cross-browser and cross-platform testing to ensure smooth application performance. It supports both BD and TDD, making tests easy to understand and maintain. Its simplified API provides built-in commands for common actions like clicking, typing, and selecting. WebdriverIO allows extensive configuration to match project needs and integrates with tools like Appium, Cucumber, Mocha, and Jasmine. It includes mobile-specific commands and supports real-time testing on actual devices, providing a complete automation solution. How WebdriverIO architecture works: it has three main components. The user writes test scripts in JavaScript using WebdriverIO, Mocha, or Jasmine. Node.js sends these commands to the browser via the JSON wire protocol. The browser executes the actions, validates the application, and returns responses. This client-server architecture is simple, flexible, and integrates easily with other tools. WebdriverIO is a powerful automation framework that simplifies testing for web and mobile applications. It is easy to use, allowing testers to create automated tests quickly. Its modular scripts are scalable and maintainable. Supporting JavaScript and TypeScript, WebdriverIO offers rich features like powerful selectors, built-in synchronization, and parallel execution, making it ideal for efficient automation. WebdriverIO is designed to simplify automation for both web and mobile applications. Its quick setup and intuitive API make it easy even for beginners. With modular and reusable test scripts, teams can scale and maintain automation effortlessly as their applications grow. WebdriverIO supports popular languages such as JavaScript and TypeScript, giving flexibility to developers and testers alike. It comes with built-in synchronization, powerful selectors, and supports parallel test execution, making automation faster and more reliable. WebdriverIO empowers teams to automate testing with precision, speed, and flexibility. At Testrig Technologies, we take it a step further, leveraging our deep WebdriverIO expertise to build scalable, maintainable, and result-driven test automation frameworks. Collaborate with us to bring efficiency, reliability, and excellence to your testing journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Testrig Technologies.